Orca matriarchs are excellent teachers. Sophia's been passing on her hunting skills to her adult calves. Time to put them to the test. Bottlenose dolphins swimming up ahead. To catch one, the pod will need to work together. The pod dives and falls silent. The dolphins don't know the orca are coming. Dolphins can swim at 30 miles an hour, but orca are just as fast, chasing until it's exhausted. Her son delivers the final blow. The pod will survive without Sophia, but her son will give her an even greater legacy. He will mate outside the pod and have many more offspring than her daughters, spreading Sophia's genes through these seas long after her death. She brings him the biggest share. Orca matriarchs will go to great lengths to make sure their sons thrive.